To set pin code on any app, you have to go for the settings. Next, you have to go for the apps, go for the app logs. I would like to set this parental control. For example, we can get for the Meta Quest 2. So we have to select just like that, or we can just click right here and we can just only get this application. So we have to select our pattern. I would like to get this one, click to continue, and we have to make it another time. So and we get it for the Meta Quest TV. So when you open this app library, and right now when you try to open this app, as you can see, we have to input the pattern. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.